Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will study how to summarize data using mean, median and range. तो आज हम देखेंगे कि हम मीन, मीडियन में रेंज कैसे निकाल सकते हैं। बट उससे पहले अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर दीजिएगा। तो देखिए यहाँ पे एक टीचर ने समराइज़ किया है, द फॉलोइंग आर द मैथ स्कोर्स ऑफ अ क्लास. दिस आर दी scores which students have scored in their maths exam. So now how can the teacher summarize this data? So if teacher want to summarize the data, then how can he summarize it? So firstly we will see that he can do it using mean, secondly he can do using median, and thirdly he can do using range. But these three methods are different and used in different ways. So firstly we will study mean. So mean क्या है? Mean is the average of values in the data set. ये average है, ठीक है. वो कैसे निकलेगा? Mean can be taken out, that is mean is equals to sum of all numbers provided divided by total numbers which is present. Fine. So in above we saw that teachers had gathered total numbers of 1 2 3 4 5 10 and 15. There are 15 datas. So what you will do is you will sum all the datas, divide by total number of datas, that were 15. So when you will add all this number with 15 and divide it with 15, you will get that 16.5 is the average or mean of math scores. So how you will take it out? You will first add all the numbers given, divide by how many numbers are present. So that will give you the mean. Now secondly हम क्या देखेंगे कि मीडियन कैसे निकालना है. तो मीडियन इज़ द मिडल मोस्ट वैल्यू ऑफ द डेटा सेट. जो सबसे बीच में है वो होगा मीडियन, ठीक है. तो फर्स्टली व्हाट वी हैव टू डू इज़, फर्स्टली हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, वी हैव टू अरेंज ऑल द नंबर्स फ्रॉम स्मॉलेस्ट टू लार्जेस्ट. जो ऊपर आपने देखा होगा यहाँ पे, दैट नंबर वेर नॉट अरेंज्ड. सी द नंबर्स आर नॉट अरेंज्ड. फर्स्ट देयर इज 18, then 15, then 19. So firstly you need to organize this number using ascending order. You have to organize it in ascending order. So that is not required in mean, but that is required in median, that you need to first organize all the data. Then you will check that which number is in the middle. See, you can see in this figure that the smallest is in first and the largest is in last, and that is demonstrated using smaller balls to smaller circle to bigger circle. So यहाँ पे अब differences क्या है कि odd numbers of values, अगर कोई values 11 है तो क्या होगा, 6th नंबर वाला जो है नंबर वो क्या होगा, वो आपका मीडियन होगा, क्योंकि वो मिडल में होगा सबसे. जैसे टेकिंग द केस ऑफ द फर्स्ट लाइन, दैट इज ऑड नंबर्स ऑफ वैल्यूज. देर आर 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. सो देर आर 11, दैट इज odd values are there. So the middle one will be always the 6th one, that is in the middle. See, you will see that 5 numbers are in the left hand side and 5 numbers are in the right hand side. But when the numbers are even, there are even numbers of values. For example, there are 12 values, then what will come in middle, that is the value which is in 6th and 5th and 6th. See here how many values are there, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. There are 10 values. So the value that is in 5th and 6th will come in the middle. 4 numbers are in the right hand side and 4 are in the left hand side. There are 2 numbers that are in the middle. So what you will do is you will add that 2 middle number and divide it by 2. So here you can see that the orange ball and the blue ball are added up, dividing it by 2. Fine. So ऐसे करके हम मीडियन निकाल सकते हैं. तो taking the earlier example, we have arranged the score in ascending order. So the numbers are arranged in ascending orders. These are the marks scored in maths. So here when you will count the number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, So this is the 8th position, and 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 7 numbers are in the right hand side and 7 numbers are in the left hand side. So the middle one was 17. Since there are 15 values and 15 is an odd number, we can directly identify the middlemost value. Fine. So 17 is the median. But what if there are 10 scores? That is when there are even numbers, like for example, these are the scores that is scored in English or any subjects. Then there are total numbers are 10. So the middle one will be the number that is in 5th and 6th. So you will add 17 and 18 and divide it by 2. So now your median will be 17.5. So this is how we take out the mean and median. So this is an example that this is the example sum that find the mean and median of the given score. So here you will add all this number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are total of 9 numbers and you will divide it by 9. So you will first add all this number and divide them by 9. And in this number and this number there are 3, 18, 10, 19, 12. These are the numbers. So here you will arrange all these numbers and you will find out the middle number and the answer. So I have given the answer key, that is median is 10 and mean is 11.11. So you need to let me know in comment box that you got the answer or not. Now moving forward to our next topic, that is range. So range is the measurement of the spread of highest values to the lowest values to the highest values, that is the range. इसका मतलब है कि आपको हाईएस्ट वैल्यू से लोएस्ट वैल्यू के बीच का नंबर निकालना है कि सबसे हाईएस्ट वैल्यू कौन सा है, सबसे लोएस्ट वैल्यू के बीच में का नंबर. सो यू हैव टू माइनस द हाईएस्ट वैल्यू विद द लोएस्ट वैल्यू, दैट विल बी द रेंज. सो टेकिंग द अर्लियर एग्जाम्पल, सो फर्स्ट आप क्या करोगे कि इसको अगेन यू विल अरेंज इट इन असेंडिंग ऑर्डर and then the first number that is the lowest number and the second and the last number that is the highest number, you will minus the highest number with the lowest number. So that is your range. So 20 minus 11 is 9. So now I will give you one bonus tip, I mean the bonus that is mode. So what is mode? Mode is the highest number which arrives, or highest value that arrives in the data set. It means that you need to see that which number have arrived most in this data set. That is, see, 11 is once, 12 is once, 13 is once, 14 is once, 15 is also once, 16 is twice. So keep that 16 alone. Then 17 is 1, 18 is also twice, so that is not required. 19 is also, but 20 came thrice. So since 20 was there most of the time, that is 20 had highest numbers, so 20 will be your mode. So 20 is your mode. क्योंकि यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो कि कोई बहुत सारे नंबर है जो एक बार आया, बहुत सारे नंबर है जो 2 आए, लेकिन 20 एक ऐसा नंबर है जो 3 बार है डेटा सेट में. सो जब आपको मोड निकालना होगा तो मोड आपका क्या होगा, 20. ठीक है, मोड वो होते हैं जो नंबर्स सबसे ज़्यादा बार आते हैं एक डेटा सेट में. ठीक है, तो दैट वाज बोनस. सो नाउ, so here this is your work that needs to be answered in the comment box, that these are the range, what is the range of the given score. So in comment box please let me know the answer of range, mean and median. Fine. So see here, 15 was the highest number and 2 was the least. 2 is the smallest number, so when it was minus, then we got the answer as 13. So to summarize the whole video, it can be seen that mean is the average of the values, that is the average of the value. And how can we take it out? Mean is sum of all number divided by how many numbers are there. Median is the middlemost value of the data set as we studied, but for odd values that is the middle, and when the value is even number, then you will sum the two middle values and divide it by 2. And range is the difference between the highest value and the lowest value. So here you will minus the highest value with the lowest value. So here I have made a very interesting question for you. So check this out, take your screenshot and let me know in your comment box that what did you notice about this data set. Fine. Here you can answer me the mean, median and mode as well as the range. So I hope you have understood. You can screenshot this and let me know your answer in comment box. Bye bye, take care. If you like this video, then please like this video and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye.